Hello everyone, it has been a while. Anyways, today I thought I would talk about how to use the Resolve DNS commandlet in PowerShell. There's always the standby. So, when you're writing scripts, you can't, if you try to use nslookup as a command, C-O-M-M-A-N-D or CMD really. So you can do nslookup and we can say something like Google, right? So that's great, gives us all this information. But say I just want to get the address, right? There's some ways you can do that, but it's kind of tricky. But I can't set this to a variable, so we'll call this n for nslookup. And we'll set that to a variable, right? So when you put it in, it actually does put out what you need, but the problem is I can't say server, it just returns nothing, right? You can't, these aren't objects, this is just text that's put out. So we can even do server just to show you, or address. So yeah, it sort of works, but it's broken. So the best thing to do is, and I'm going to clear the screen here, is to use the Resolve-DnsName, and you can say name, and so you can put anything here. I'm just going to use Google because I don't think there's anything here. So, and then if you say you wanted to type, so there are different types of records. There's A records, MX records, I don't know, there's a bunch of different records. And if you don't know what record you want, you can just put garbage here, and then it'll tell you, oh, here's the different types of records, and that's a quick way to see them. I actually make this an error on purpose. So let's say we do want to see the MX record, we can just type MX, and look at that. So we can say, so if we actually put this, we'll call this one R, oops, we'll call that an R variable, right? So now if I just wanted to, so now when I would turn R, I get, look at that. But if I wanted to just get, say, dot name exchange, A-N-G-E, look at that. See, it actually returns those objects. So that's just a quick way to resolve things here. I just want to go over a few more examples. This is going to be a quick video, but yeah, so again, R returns that, and we'll do, let's go back to, let's change this record. So we're going to change R here. So now that was MX, so we're going to just say A, right? Now let's see what that returns. And now we have that. So now we could actually just say IP, right? So, it does return objects. It's really pretty nice, and this is a relatively good way of resolving stuff. So if you're writing a script to say monitor something, and you wanted to say monitor for a change of address on a particular record, or say you knew a name, but you really wanted to, when you do your copy, say you wanted to do an X copy or something, or robocopy, you could get the name of the machine and then actually do the copy through DNS if that's what you prefer. Anyways, I just thought I'd go over this real quick just to show you one more time on the different types of records. Or just, again, you can error it. You can also use get help, but I didn't install all the help for this, so I don't want to wait for it to download. Anyways, you can see all the different types of records. There's PTR records, there's, I think I saw, yep, there's service records. So, you can get a lot of different things. You can get an any or an all. So let's see if we do that we'll do all on Google and see what comes back. Oops. So yeah, you can see all the different records. And so we could say all, oops, let's clear this. So let's change that to R again, right? And so if we do R dot, you can do count, so you could count the records, and you can do anything you want. If we do a get member, it'll show us all the different things. Oh my gosh, look at all these properties that we can use. methods. So anyways, yeah, you can get IP4 addresses, you can get IPv6, and that's worth mentioning too. Get what is it there? Can't remember. Resolve-DNS all, and then dash, you can do a server. So there's a couple of other cool options here, sorry. So you can point it at a specific DNS server. You can do, there was no host file, which I thought was an interesting option. So it'll just query the DNS server and not look at your host file. So that's a great one. The rest of these I haven't really gone into there. But that's it. It's a short video tonight. I just wanted to kind of talk about this. I haven't put anything out in probably close to a month, so I thought I would kind of ran across this for something I was writing and thought, oh, this I don't think I've seen on the internet or much talk about it. So hopefully you found this useful. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.